Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own pesto. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of salt is also essential to enhance all these wonderful flavors. Now, let's get started with the preparation. First, gently toast your pine nuts in a dry skillet over medium heat for a few minutes until they are golden and aromatic. Be careful not to burn them. Next, combine the fresh basil leaves, the toasted pine nuts, and the 2 cloves of garlic in your food processor. Add the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese to this mixture. With all your solid ingredients in the food processor, it's time to blend. Start by pulsing the mixture a few times to combine everything. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil through the feed tube. Continue blending until your pesto reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl once or twice. Your homemade pesto is now ready. Give it a quick taste and add a pinch more salt if you feel it needs it. To store, transfer the pesto to an airtight container. For refrigeration, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface to keep it vibrant green and fresh for up to 5 days. For longer storage, you can freeze it in small portions for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.